Welcome to our channel. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, one of the first and most important steps is choosing the right crypto wallet. In this video, we'll explain what crypto wallets are, how they work, and help you decide which one is best for beginners like you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently pick the wallet that suits your needs and keep your investments secure. What is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is a tool that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies securely. Think of it as your digital bank account for crypto. Unlike traditional bank accounts, crypto wallets give you full control over your funds and private keys, which makes them both powerful and essential for secure crypto management. Hot wallets, online wallets, accessible via the internet. Convenient for frequent transactions. Examples: mobile apps, desktop wallets, and exchange wallets. Best for beginners who need quick and easy access to their funds. Cold wallets, offline wallets, not connected to the internet. More secure from hacking attempts. Examples: hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, and paper wallets. Best for long-term holders looking for maximum security. Custodial wallets, managed by a third-party service like a crypto exchange. Easy to use but less control over private keys. Best for beginners who prefer simplicity and are comfortable with a trusted service managing their keys. Non-custodial wallets, you control the private keys and funds directly. Requires more responsibility but offers greater security and independence. Best for users who want full control over their crypto. How to choose the best wallet for beginners. Ease of use. Look for wallets with beginner-friendly interfaces and simple setups. Security features. Ensure the wallet offers features like two-factor authentication and backup options. Compatibility. Check if the wallet supports the cryptocurrencies you want to use. Cost. Hot wallets are often free, while cold wallets, hardware, have upfront costs. Purpose. Decide whether you need the wallet for daily transactions or long-term storage. Our recommendations for beginners. Hot wallet, Trust Wallet or MetaMask, user-friendly and secure for small amounts. Cold wallet, Ledger Nano S, affordable and highly secure. Exchange wallet, Binance or Coinbase, easy to use for trading and storing. Get started safely. Ready to start your crypto journey? We've partnered with one of the most trusted and reliable Forex platforms to make your experience safe and smooth. Click the link in the description and pinned comment to open an account today and start building your crypto portfolio with confidence. If this video helped you understand crypto wallets better, checkmark like this video to show your support. Checkmark share it with others who are just starting in crypto. Checkmark subscribe to our channel for more guides and tips. Have questions or want us to cover more topics? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, and we'll get back to you.
Here we go! I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.